There's so much to see and do. There you go, grab the page. There you go. Good.
Good job.
I love to.
It's a real page turner.
And sing and play. Will you be their friend too? Do you want to go back to the previous page? Want to go back? Should I turn it for you? Good. They love to laugh and sing and play. Will you be their friend too? Yeah. Oh, this is your favorite page, isn't it? Look.
Either that or she hates that page. She keeps turning it away from there.
When little panda comes to play, they both act like clowns. Oh. Oh. Grab the page. There you go, grab it. Grab the page. Okay, you can have the book. There you go. There you go. You want to turn the page? Good. She wants to, but it's complicated. Do you know how difficult that is?
Good job, little girl.